Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought any updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges or university. So the first college where the recruitment is there is in Visvaraya Technical Campus, Faculty of Degree and Diploma Engineering, Miraj, Pandharpur Road, Palganj, Miraj. They are conducting walk-in interview for assistant professor and lecturer in civil, electrical and mechanical. For that the qualification required is BB Tech, MEM Tech in relevant branches with first class. Second recruitment is for lecturer in chemistry. For that MSc chemistry with first class required. Third, lab assistant in physics and chemistry. For that BSc physics and chemistry required. Next, driver and peon vacancy is also there. So if anyone interested, they have to attend walk-in interview with all documents on Tuesday on 31st of August 2021. The registration time will be 10 am to 11 am. Next college is Balchand Institute of Technology. This college is in Solapur, Maharashtra. They are inviting application for the post of principal. The qualification required is qualification and experience required as per AICTE norms. Apart from that, he has a good number of books or reputed journal, research publication, IPR, patent record, experience in sponsored research and consultancy projects from government or private agencies, experience in university, college and other institution of higher education and international exposure. So, and flair for management and leadership is essential. Apply within 30 days to Honorable Secretary SAPDJ Pathshala Solapur by speed post and on email to principal.witsolapur@gmail.com. Next college is Ambala College of Engineering and Applied Research. This is affiliated to Kurukshetra University. They are inviting application for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in biotech, engineering, computer science and engineering, AC, mechanical, maths, MBA, physics and chemistry. One vacancy for assistant professor in biotech, 2 CSC, 1 EC, mechanical, no vacancy of assistant professor, but it has one vacancy for professor and associate professor respectively. For maths, no vacancy for associate professor and professor, but one vacancy for associate professor. Likewise for MBA, assistant professor, one vacancy, physics, one vacancy, and in chemistry, one vacancy for professor. Qualification and experience is as per AICTE and Kurukshetra University norms. There is no salary issue for deserving candidate. So eligible candidate will be considered applied through post or by email. On this address you can send or email. You have to send your resume on info@ambalacollege.com. Next college is this one, CPET, Central Institute of Petrochemical Engineering and Technology, CPET. Department of Chemical and Petrochemicals, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, Government of India. They are recruited in teaching position on contract basis. There are 3 type of vacancies: assistant professor grade 3. For that salary is 45,000. Second, lecturer, 40,000 salary is for that. Next one, lecturer, for that also 40,000 salary they will provide. There are different branches which can apply, like plastic engineering and technology, manufacturing engineering, plastic engineering and technology, mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering. For lecturer, chemistry, civil, English and management, computer science. So you have to go to CPET website. From that you have to go recruitment section. There are 2, one permanent vacancy and one for contractual. You have to go in contractual. You will get application form. From that you can download the form and fill and send on this address to the principal director, CPET head office, TVK Industrial Area, Gindi, Chennai 600032. Last date is to reach the application is 20th September 2021. On envelope you have to write down name of the post applied for in bold letter on top of envelope. Next vacancy is for guest faculty on contract basis in NIT Jalandhar. There are 4 vacancy for computer science and engineering and 3 vacancy for information technology. If you have BTech MTech with first division in both and PhD in relevant discipline, then you can apply for that. They have written that selection of guest faculty will be for odd semester July to December, extendable to another 1 semester or till the regular incumbent joins, whichever is earlier. Consolidated salary for PhD degree will be 54,000 and 45,000 for this others. For others means if you have MTech and you can apply for that. Not EADA salary paid for attending the interview. The last date of submission is 6th of September 2021. Interview will be held through online mode on 8th of September 2021. Next college is MEPCO Sklank Engineering College. They are they have requirement for assistant professor. For that qualification required PhD, MSc, MPhil in physics with NET or set score. Eligibility criteria: first class in both UG and PhD. PhD will be preferred. Experience: previous teaching experience will be preferred. Incentive for publication and R&D projects. They also requirement of technician for computer technician and lab technician. If you have DCSC or BSc computer science or BCA, then you can apply. Application in prescribed format should reach us within 7 days. Form can be downloaded from college website. Means you have to type in Google MEPCO Sklank Engineering College. From there in career section maybe you will get the form. So that's all about today's vacancy. So please share with your friends also who is in the need of job, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe as soon as possible. Thank you.